What's up, guys? It's Matt with digitaldreamhomes.com. And in this video, I'm going to go over my favorite color schemes for small business websites. I'm going to show you guys a few that I made and just what you guys can do to find the best colors that fit your brand. All right. And so here we have a realtor website. And as you can see, it's blue, gold, and white, right? Blue and gold really go together on websites. I'm going to show you a few examples, like a nice, not like pure gold, but a nice gold tint to colors. It really makes things pop on websites. And as you can see, right, and with the blue background, it looks really professional and nice. Okay, I would recommend this style for like real estate agents. And companies that want to like feel that they're luxurious. Okay, now obviously different brands and different styles, different businesses, they call for different color schemes. Okay, so here I built a cleaning service website, and as you can see, it's red, yellow, and blue because that's in the mind subconsciously you automatically think you feel like it's a cleaning service with those colors, right? Yellow gloves, blue sponges, right? And red, it helps um, signal professionalism. Okay, so as you can see, simple website, before and afters. Again, blue, yellow, red. Okay, so that would be for a cleaning brand. Now for roofing, here's one I built also for roofing. You want to use more of like a blue and yellow, right? Like you want to have more blue than yellow on the screen. Because again, with blue and yellow, it's when you think of construction, you think the yellow hats, right? And blue on websites, it really signifies trust. Okay, so here's the website. Blue, obviously, blue and yellow. All right, so you can see how it really matches well. All right, now if you guys want to go for more of like a simple approach, you can also have a website where it's pretty much black and white. All right, but again, don't make it pure black and pure white. You see how in the back it's a little more like a cream and beige. But this realtor's in Florida, so there's obviously a lot of Florida colors. All right, but you can see how it's mostly black and white here. Okay, and we're still making it look pretty modern. All right, and also another example of gold and blue. Now, again, this person has a gold-ish logo, so I wanted to kind of make sure that we reflect that in this website. So we have blue, and then with yellow accents. All right, and again, yellow and blue everywhere. So you see how that matches and looks pretty nice. Okay, and then we're gonna go over. I already had this one actually, so we'll X that one out. All right, now for the last two, let's just say, because again, we saw more lighter websites. You can also make your website look really good by having a darker background. And what better way to make it look luxurious than adding some gold to it, right? Now this company, they're called Midas Transaction Group. All right, they're a transaction coordinator for realtors. And obviously the Midas touch is gold. So we have black on gold. All right, so you can see it's just very, very elegant. With gold on black, very nice looking. So again, that's how you can match those two colors. If you want like a more darker, luxurious style website, and also you can use like a cream on black too, which I have in this example here. And this is for a realtor. So we have a more obviously a darker background, but we have more of a cream and actually brown on top of that, and it looks very nice and professional. All right. Now, one last tip. Okay. When you want to have a website that looks really nice and elegant, make sure to have a lot of space, whether it's black or white space. You see how this one has a lot of empty space, like even pictures in the background, like just all this words, a lot of spaces, not a lot of text on the page, right? It's more of a visual representation of what they do. All right, so there's a lot of space here, and I'll go to the other one, right? A lot of space here. All right, so there's a lot of black space. It gives the site room to breathe. It's not intimidating with a lot of text, so don't use a lot of text at all, okay? And again, it's the same concept with this, a lot of white space and pictures, okay? So you see there's a lot of space and not a lot of text. All right, so that is a helpful tip there. If you guys need help figuring out what colors work best for your brand, the best way to do this, if you guys don't have a budget to hire like a graphic designer like me or a web developer, go to ChatGPT, describe your brand to ChatGPT and say, listen, like I need hex codes. So here's what you want to do. So I'll try to show you. So you want, what am I doing here? You want, so here you go. Hex codes. All right, that's how you spell that. Hex codes for colors. I want matching hex codes that match my brand for a website. Okay, then it'll spit back some hex codes and just copy and paste. It'll be like 6 numbers. Copy and paste those codes into your site for the colors, and everything will match. All right, guys. But if you guys want a developer that does all this for you, we build the websites. We make all the pictures for you, so all the pictures are all customized and only to your website. Nothing's copied at all. If you guys want us to blog for you, Facebook marketing, any kind of marketing for you, Google, we do everything to get your brand out there. We have clients that are getting 1 extra lead per day and closing multiple transactions per month, getting multiple clients. All right, guys. Hopefully this helps. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day.